Hello everyone, and welcome to Direct Maths. This is the very first episode in our basic arithmetic series. In this video, you're going to learn how to do column addition. Let's work through some problems. If I have 345 apples and Josh buys 251 apples, how many apples do we have all together? Now this is a question that would require column addition. First, let's identify our data. 345 apples is the first number, and 251 apples is the second number. The way we lay out column addition is by writing our first number, 345, and directly underneath it, making sure to match up all of the digits, we write 152 in this case, obviously 251, and then we put a little plus sign there by the side to make sure we remember what operation we're doing. Always remember to leave a space underneath for the answer. So this is where our answer is going to go. So we have to leave a space for it. And you can put another line there if you'd like. 5 plus 1, which is our first column right here, which happens to be the units column. We're going to add together 5 plus 1. And get 6, so we put the 6 there directly underneath. 4 and 5, we do the same thing. Again, we put the 4 and the 5 addition directly underneath, which is 9. And you do the 3 and the 2, again, directly underneath, 5. And that is actually our answer. 596 is the number of apples we'd have. Now, that was actually a really simple example of column addition. I'm going to hand over to my friend now, who's going to explain column addition in more detail and is also going to tell you what exactly is meant by carrying over and how to arrange column addition when there is a different number of digits in the two numbers. So, over to my friend.
So how do we tackle carrying over? So let's solve this question to find out. If I have 1,782 grams of flour at home, and I buy an additional 350 grams of flour to bake a cake, how much flour do I have now? So first, we're going to write down our key numbers, 1,782 and 350 right below it, just as we laid it out before. And with our little plus sign in the side to remind us of what operation we're going to be doing. And then space below for our answer. So again, we're going to be working from right to left, starting with the first column. So 2 plus 0 is 2, which we can write in the answer space. Then we do 8 plus 5, which is 13. Hold on, wait. We can't write 13 down. It's 2 digits. So we'll need to do something called carrying over. So we leave the units digit in the answer space, which is 3, and take our 1/10th digit along to the next column, which is 7 plus 3 plus 1. So we can add that together, which gives us 11. But wait, we need to carry over again. So we do the exact same thing, leaving the 1, which is our units digit in the answer space, and 1, which is our 10th digit, over to our next column, which just has 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 2. And now we don't need to do any more carrying over, so we can just write our answer down. So the answer is 2,132. And that's how much flour I'm using to bake this cake.
Now we have reached the end of the video, but as is going to be a recurring theme, we're going to give you a little question to send you off so that you can have a bit of practice on your own. Now the question is the one that you can see on screen right now. A tip is to not get scared off by the big numbers. The process and the method is exactly the same. So in the next video, we'll tell you the answer to this question and exactly how to do it. So keep your eyes peeled for our next video and make sure to watch it. Also, it takes us a ton of time to make these videos, so if you could just click the subscribe button below the video, we'd highly, highly appreciate it. With all of that being said, goodbye.
Bye.